This conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday we are going to discuss about consolidation process. This week we are going to discuss on these all topics. Yesterday we are started about consolidation process. What is this consolidation means? So we are copying the data from this company to this company and this company to this company. Okay, that is like copy the data means here not entire data. It is copying main accounts, that is chart of accounts data, financial dimensions and main account categories. These data only will be copied from this company to this company and this company to this company. Okay, this is individual company. But what is the difference between this company and this company? Let me show you. We have already discussed, and let me show you. So let me go to services. Let me start services, but services required for me. I'm starting the services. Let it be progress. Okay, fine. So let me close and let me open the application. So the difference between one is normal company, I mean to say operations company, versus consolidation company. In this, yesterday also have discussed the use consolidation process. So we have already written yesterday. This checkbox is enabled. In the consolidation company, these checkboxes will be enabled. Okay. In the operations, these checkboxes will not be enabled. Will not be. I'm highlighting will not be enabled. Okay, the major difference. And in this, if it is not enabled, we can post transactions, whereas here we cannot post a transaction. Understood the difference? Here it is, if these checkboxes are not enabled, then we can post a transaction, means the purchase order, sales order, vendor invoice, vendor payment, everything, the transactions can be posted. Okay, transaction can be posted, but here we cannot. So let me write down in that word is good. Transaction can be posted, whereas transactions cannot be posted. So just I'm highlighting this not. Okay, for understanding purpose only, I'm just highlighting this one. Understood the company like two legal entity, like here, if you want to create a company or legal entity, you need to go to organization administration, collapse all organizations, legal entities. Anyhow, next week you are going to learn in depth about this organization creation and company setups and everything. You are going to learn most important information. So let me write down this legal entity means organization administration, organization legal entities. Understood? Organization administration legal entities. So here for normal company USMF, these checkboxes are not enabled. If it is consolidation company, group company, these two checkboxes will be enabled. Either one or two, anything can be enabled. I will explain you the difference between elimination and consolidation later. Okay, this if it is anyone is enabled, in this you cannot post transactions cannot be posted. What you can do, you can do the copy of data from here to here and here to here. Okay, that's what you can do. Now what happened? It is already saved, am I right? Fine. So suppose, let me open in the paintbrush. Give me a minute. Let me open this in paintbrush so that I can do modifications. Okay, fine. You are copying data from here to here, here to here. But in case in this company, suppose 60.100 is transportation charges or freight charges. Example, freight charges is like this. In this, it is 600, 200, 610, 500. Here it is transportation charges or freight charges. Then how these two can be combined? This is account is different. This is account is different. There is a chance, am I right? Agree?
Yes, yes.
If it is a different, then how it will be combined here? You are telling like system will not read this freight charges. The description, whatever it is there, main account description, system will
Currency is
not.
also different.
Currency also may be different. Yes, I agree with you. Currency also may be different. That is there already solution. I will discuss with you. Okay, currency. Maybe this is US dollars. This is maybe euros. Okay, currency we'll discuss the later. The first one is try to focus on this one. This account is different and this account is different. Suppose in this company, generally, I will take this account or this account. Suppose one more company. This is RUMF. There is a chance I can combine. Okay, then here it is different account. 61.12.300 is the freight charges. This is some Russian currency, RUB something. Russian visa. I don't know the currency exactly Russian. I know many countries, but Russian I don't know. RUB I think I am expecting. Fine, something. Now here also different. Then what I have to do? So in this GLCO, and we have some like chart of accounts. It may be 610500, suppose. Then what I will do, this account number, whatever it is there, that will copy and paste here in this company. So let me show you what it means. So in GLCO company, what are the accounts I need to verify? Chart of accounts, main accounts. In this GLCO company, so what are the account numbers are there? These I will copy in USMF company. I will go to USMF company. And I will go to DEMF company. This is USMF company. Give me a minute, it's loading now. In this USMF company, and this is suppose RUMF company. Of course, you cannot read Russian language. It is very difficult. I think language is sorry, currency is RUB. Okay, here it is 60 dot something, whatever it is there. Suppose this is account, this account. Okay, now in the GLCO company, it is 610200 something, whatever it is there. This account number I will update in RUMF company. Here, edit consolidation account, default consolidation account. In this 60110, I'm entering default consolidation account. Means in each and every company, this company account number, whatever it is there, that number I need to map here. Got it? So that system can read this one. If it is, system will verify first this account and this account is different, then it will go for this one. For this, not required. The reason behind both our numbers are same, then it is not required, because it is automatically understand this consolidation. So system will read this group company, consolidation company, what is the chart, what is the account, main account, that account is different from here, then it will look for this one. Means whenever you are, suppose you are doing consolidation for 610200, example I'm telling you, this will be verified with RUMF company, this account number. If it is not matched, it will go to this account. If it is matched, this will pick. In the operations companies, first it will verify the main account. If it is different from that account, then it will look for this account. And if it is matched, that will be transferred to this account. Understood? Any questions in this one? This is the only hurdle while doing consolidation. The major hurdle means a big exercise to you. In each and every company, you need to verify group company accounts numbers are same with this one or not. How can I verify? Means you can go to, simply no need to verify one by one. You can go to general ledger, ledger setup, ledger. So in this, what is the chart of accounts are using? It is Russia chart of accounts. But in GLCO company, what is the chart of accounts are using? It is shared chart of accounts, different chart of accounts. So definitely numbers are different. Inside, if you go inside, numbers are different. Then you need to map one by one account. Understood? Any confusion, any questions? So the main important thing is the chart of account numbers should be match each other. If it is in case difference, you need to enter one by one the accounts in the operations companies. Clear? Any doubt in this? Anyone? So the main hurdle, it is clear. Financial dimensions is enterprise level data. Anyhow, it is enterprise level data. It will be exist in all companies, no issues. Main account category is also enterprise level data. This is also enterprise level data, but I can map differently because in the ledger form, I can have differently. Now, if it is a currencies are different. This currency is US dollars, this currency is euro, this currency is euro, RUB. Then what I have to do? For that, no need to do anything. In the consolidation company, in the GLCO company, group company, you are doing consolidation. You are doing consolidation like consolidation module, consolidation online. Here you can map the exchange rate. While doing DEMF, it will ask you what is the exchange rate. You can select specific consolidation date exchange rate, or you can select transaction date. Means while doing transaction, what is the exchange rate, that rate should be considered. Otherwise, if you want to enter manually, yes, you can enter manually. Your wish, as per the client requirement, you can do it. Understood? Fine. So before this one, I would like to cancel the existing data. Let me verify consolidation transactions. Already posted transactions. If you want, you can delete like this. Remove. I'm removing the transaction data. Okay, these three companies are fully set up. So company creation setup, you will understand next week. Okay, fine. Now in this company, if you go to, this is group company. If you go to group company, general ledger, collapse all, ledger setup, ledger, already setups are done, like chart of accounts mapped, accounting structure mapped, currencies mapped, everything is there. So in this company, if I'm trying to do verify trial balance, inquiries and reports, so let me verify from last year data. I'm just verifying last year data. I'm selecting main account, click on calculate balances. It is nothing. There is no data. Okay. Now I will do consolidation. So go to consolidations module, consolidate online, consolidate online. So from account and to account, you need to select from accounts and to account. and you need to select from date and to date from Jan 1st, 2021 to December 31st, 2021. I'm selecting include accrual accounts, include accrual amounts, include budget amounts. It is not mandatory rebuild balances. If you want, you can enable, otherwise you can skip. And what are the financial dimensions I want? Business unit, department, and company also I'm taking, legal entity also I'm taking. And how many companies you want? I have mapped DMF, USMF, INMF, 3 companies. And go to elimination. At this point, you don't know what is this elimination. You will understand later. Leave it this one. And currency translation, here for US dollars, it is not asking to enter. It was disabled completely because USMF company and group company also the same currency US dollars. Whereas in INMF, it is INR, and your group company, it is US dollars. So there is a difference. So I need to enter the exchange rate. 0.0189 US dollars equal to 1 Indian rupees. That is the reason it is coming like that. And for euros also, it is 128 euros equal to, I think $128 equal to 100 euros. That is conversion. Maybe it is in the hundreds conversion. Next, run in the background. You have both options. One is batch process or remove the batch job. So if you remove the batch job, it will run this process. But if you are running like this, performance will be down. In real-time scenario, in client places, in implementation processes, you should not do batch job disable. It is better to enable this one, so it will be executed on the batch job. But for now, I'm practicing purpose, so I'm disabling this one. In real-time scenario, will enable. I'm clicking OK. It will take 1-2 minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes time based on the data. Anyhow, we have sample data only. We are combining USMF, DEMF, and INMF. Actually, this is INMF only. In that company, INMF is there. We are combining all these 3. So it may take 1 or 2 minutes. Let me wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, if you want to discuss, you can unmute and you can please discuss with me. It will take 2-3 minutes time. Okay, it was completed. Now, if you go to consolidations, collapse all, consolidation transactions. So USMF, if you click on transactions and actuals, it will show you the transactions already copied from USMF company to GLCO company. It is showing. Next, let me select another company, INMF, transactions, actuals. So it is one transaction only posted, 110180, some one transaction, sample data posted. And DMF company, transactions, actuals. So in DMF company also, there are some transactions. It was posted, 140200, some transactions are posted. Inventory related transactions are exist. Now, all the transactions are copied. So if you want, budget transactions also can be copied. I don't think so. Budget related transactions exist in this DMF company. Let me verify. No transactions created. For USMF, it maybe exist some transactions. I'm just verifying. Anyhow, I'm not concentrating on budget. So if you select budget model, and it will show you the transactions, budget transactions. Give me a minute. Okay. Anyhow, we are not focusing on these transactions. Fine. I'm leaving this one. If you want really for budget transactions also can be. So now transactions are copied. Now if you go to trial balance, general ledger, collapse all, inquiries and reports, trial balance. So if you click on calculate balances, it will show you the balance. Okay, suppose I'm taking 140 100 or 140 200. Example, I'm taking this one. It will have all transactions. DEMF company, it is USMF company, all the data is listed. Okay, some transactions are DMF company, some transactions are USMF company. If in case if you want to verify the data, you can generate trial balance from USMF company. You can generate trial balance from USMF company, and you can verify together parallelly. Inquiries and reports, trial balance, and you can click on 2021 and main accounts I'm selecting. Click on calculate balances. Okay, here you can see like 11018110, what is the balance, and you can verify here 110110. Just I'm telling you comparison. So you can verify trial balance from USMF company, trial balance from INMF company, trial balance from DMF company. You can sum up all these things, whether it is tallied to here or not, you can verify. So you can export to Excel. You have option to export to Excel, and you can export all these things, and you can combine. You can do verification if you want, really reconciliation kind of thing. This is consolidation process. This is consolidation process. Anyone has any doubts in this process? Simple 3 steps. One is main accounts availability. It should be verified properly. Once it is the major task is completed, you can run these 3 steps. One is consolidation online, consolidation online, and then you can see in the consolidation transactions, and you can verify in the trial balance. That's it. So let me write down the steps. If anyone want to speak, please. Consolidation module, consolidate online. This is execution. So for verification, consolidation transactions. This is for to verify or to remove. And in the general ledger module, reports can be generated. So it is not only trial balance report, any report, whatever the reports you want, you can generate reports. This is the major about consolidation process. Understood? Any questions in this area? I hope it is clear. Okay. Next one. One more, elimination process. So till now, whatever we have discussed, this is about consolidation process. What is this elimination process? Anyone has any idea? What is this elimination process? Have you came across in your life?
Remove the company from the remove the company.
Okay, what do you mean? Can you elaborate? Yeah.
We have a list of companies. Remove the company from one of the companies from the all companies.
Not remove.
Now, elimination is a process of a consolidation. When you have the when there is a common accounts payable and liable. For example, if the one company is a parent and it's as a subsidiary, if there is a receivable and payable between these two companies, when we are consolidating, we need to eliminate these two transactions to get the true picture. Otherwise, the assets and liabilities will be inflated in the consolidated. So I think that's the elimination process.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's
Yes.
basically for purchases and sales and the assets and liabilities.
Yes. Exactly. You're right. So let me reiterate whatever Nasama said. It is 100% correct. Elimination is if you are doing any intercompany transactions. If you are doing any intercompany transactions, those should not be displayed in the assets and liabilities and expenses, purchase expenses and sales, purchases and sales. So what do you mean? So this is in words, but let me explain you what is this elimination means. So before understanding about elimination process, let me explain you intercompany transaction we have discussed. Intercompany transactions, intercompany financial transaction. Let me recap this one and then we'll discuss about elimination. Intercompany financial transaction. So we learned earlier intercompany transaction. Suppose rent amount for DMF company, I'm paying suppose 5,000 US dollars. I'm paying from USMF company cash. If in case, if you are doing like this, last time I have shown, I have explained intercompany transaction. So if you are posting journal, we can post like this. I'm sorry. We can post like this. If you are posting like this, this is for DMF company rent amount paid and USMF company from the cash. Then internally, there will be two transactions will be posted. If you are posting like this, then what happened in DMF company? And in USMF company, so amount debit and here need to pay to USMF company. This is a liability account. Here need to collect from DMF company. This is a live asset account. Is it clear? Last time I have discussed already. Intercompany setup. Have you remember or not remember? If you are not, I will give you a solution. I will show you once again. Anyone? Yes or no, please. Otherwise, I will show you in the system. If you are not clear about this one, you cannot understand elimination process. You cannot understand elimination process. Please unmute whether you know or you
Please show
don't
me
know.
once again, sir.
Okay, fine. Let me show you once again this one. This is intercompany financial transaction. So in USMF company, so let me close this one. We are in USMF company. Okay, general ledger, collapse all, journal entries, journal. Click on new, journal entries. Click on lines. So DMF company. DMF company rent account. This is DMF company accounts. Okay, I'm paying 5,000, but this is from USMF company. Okay, 5,000 US dollars paying by USMF company. USMF company is paying. Let me take a little bit closer. USMF company is paying from the petty cash for DMF company expenses, some expenses. Now I'm posting. Now if you go to the voucher, 1 second, what happened? Okay, dimensions are mandatory, so it is asking for dimensions. We made yesterday business unit mandatory. Let me map business unit. I think in this here also we have made business unit mandatory. Okay, let me remove that business unit mandatory at this time. I don't want to make hurdles. So let me remove this. Otherwise, it will ask many questions. So give me a minute. Let me go to DMF company. I'll make it optional for time being. So yesterday we made it like this one. And activate. Click on activate. So it will take 1 minute time to activate. It should be active. Now it is active. Fine. So now let me post. This is not mandatory, it is optional only. I'm posting. Now if you verify the voucher, it will post amount need to be received from from DMF company. Receivable from DMF company to cash. And in the same manner, if you go to DMF company, journal entries, one journal got created automatically. Look at this one, posted transactions. And if you take the latest, newest here, so one transaction got created. If you go to lines, this is today date. Today in USA it is today 21. Of course in India it is 22. In USA it is 21 evening actually. So it was created like one journal. Amount need to be paid. Amount need to be paid to intercompany, like to USMF company. Credit. Payable. So these two accounts are posted. Understood? So in the assets and liabilities, it should not show in the group companies. In the group companies, these accounts should be nullified. That is elimination process. It is not required because anyhow both companies are your companies only. It should not displayed in that consolidation company. But if you go to the consolidation company, those transactions also copied. So we need to eliminate those transactions. Let me go to GLCO company. Let me go to GLCO company, the group company. While copying data, everything is copied. Everything will be copied. If you go to trial balance, just I'm showing you trial balance. Amount need to pay to the other company, amount need to collect from other company. Those data also will be copied here. So look at this one. Intercompany receivable, intercompany payable, two series. Payable account. These accounts should be nullified, and even for sales and revenue also. So for sales, revenue and purchases, if it is intercompany transactions, this one here, intercompany payables, sales and purchase also, if it is anything. Okay, all those things should be eliminated. So you should know all the accounts, whatever the accounts it is, intercompany transactions, those transactions should be eliminated. To do that elimination process, you need to click on consolidation in GLCO company only. In GLCO company, click on consolidations, click on here, set up elimination role. You can define one elimination rule. For that, you can create one journal name. I told you in journal, like in this company, you cannot post any transaction, am I right? I have discussed here, no transaction can be posted. But in the consolidation company, exception, elimination journal can be posted. Only elimination journal can be posted. Understood? Elimination journal can be posted. For that, you need to create one elimination rule and you need to create one elimination journal also. Elimination journal also you need to create. So in this GLCO company, you can go to general ledger, collapse all, journal setup, journal names. Only one journal name got created. Look at this one. Elimination type journal was created and mapped with one voucher number. Only elimination journal. Once it is created elimination journal, you can go to consolidation company and you can create setup elimination rule. So let me write down in the consolidation company, for elimination process, I'm writing down. First one is journal name for elimination should be created. Okay, how to create I will discuss with you next week. You are going to learn this one, how to create. One journal name should be created. Next, elimination journal, elimination rule should be created. Elimination rule should be created. Elimination rule should be created. And in this rule, you should activate this one, activate, and you can click on lines. You can click on lines. Here you can enter, there are two options. You can select one by one the amounts, the accounts numbers, the account numbers, and if you want, you can normally source you can select. Source means whatever the balance in the trial balance available, that you can select. Otherwise, we have option to select user specified and you can enter the amount. Give me a second. It's processing. Not this one. Give me a minute. It's loading. Why it is taking this much time, I don't know. Give me a minute. Oh, sorry. Here, not this one. Small information. Here, you need to select amount, fixed amount, and you can enter the amount. Understood? If you are selecting net change, you need not to worry. System will take care about the amount. one second, escape. I'm clicking on no. I don't want to disturb the existing one. So in these lines, you have option. You can select net change to fixed one, and you can enter the amount. You can enter the amount. Okay. Then once it is entered, then you can click on Elimination Journal. You can click new and select the journal name. Go to lines. You cannot enter manually inside. By clicking new button, you cannot enter. You can click on proposals, elimination proposal. If you run this one, from date and to date and elimination company and elimination rule, and if you click OK, the balances will be copied here. Look at this one, line details, you cannot enter new. It is not possible. Already existing one, you can propose elimination proposal. So automatically it will be captured from there to here. And usually the difference between debit and credit may not be tallied. Debits and credits may or may not be tallied. It does not mean like always it will be tallied. It may not be. The reason behind, suppose you are doing from USMF to DMF, and you have created one more setup, one more USMF to INMF. Suppose USMF to MXMF. Then here I'm combining only these three, USMF and DMF. I'm not combining MXMF. At that time, some amounts will be there in the debit side or credit side. So it may not be tallied. It may not. Debit and credits may not be tallied. Then how to post the differences? Usually, if debits and credits are not allowed, it is not same, it will not post the transaction. But we have one option in the group company. In group company, go to duplicate tab. In this group company, you can go to general ledger, collapse all, journal setup, ledger setup, journal ledger parameters, general ledger parameters. In the group company, I'm telling you, in the group company, whatever the difference voucher is there, the difference voucher, that amount you can enter here in this one, 10,000 something. Then automatically it will be posted. The difference will be posted to a difference account. Understood? Any questions, please? Any questions related to this one? This consolidation and elimination, what I will do, once in the ending of the sessions, I mean to say next month end or something, at the time of ending the sessions, I will recap once again this consolidation process and elimination process, so that you can understand once again. Okay, of course this process is not regularly will be used by clients, but I will recap once again after 1.5 months something. I will discuss with you once again. I will recap once again. By that time you will understand second time clearly. Okay, so any questions, any quick questions, please? If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, same time, 7 a.m. AST. Okay, see you all. Bye bye.